Hi all. A while ago we put out a video showing the Hong Kong futures markets, or HKEX. Now, I'm happy to say that one US brokerage is now providing access to these markets, and so we now have some more information about the costs involved. Now, I think these markets will soon become popular with US and Asian traders for a number of reasons. First of all, the opening times are really convenient. These markets open at 9:30 AM Hong Kong, which is 6:30 PM in California or 8:30 PM in Chicago. Also great for traders in places like Australia. These markets are really volatile. Now, that's not for everyone, but some of the other markets that open at these times, like Osaka for instance, are a little bit more on the slow side. And most importantly, these markets are really cheap to trade, both in terms of commissions and in terms of tick sizes. Now, we've had a lot of emails from customers since we first started showing these markets asking where they could trade them, and I'm happy to say that one brokerage in the US has added these markets. So for some of you, it's just a phone call away. But first, let's have a look at the costs. So this is from the AMP Futures website, and as we can see, the mini products here are just $194 and $156 per round turn to trade. Now, that's in US dollars. It's the all-in price, but you can expect it to fluctuate slightly because the exchange fee part is actually in Hong Kong dollars. Now, there's also going to be a $15 a month fee for the market data. So what about the tick value itself? Well, for the mini Hang Seng China Enterprises Index and the mini Hang Seng Index that we've got here, left and right, it's just 10 Hong Kong dollars per tick, which means that's $1.27 US a tick. So the fees are low, the tick value is low, and it's open in the US evenings, which is a really good combination for someone in the US that has a day job and wants a low risk way to engage with a live market after work. Now, we'll just have a quick look at the full size products. First, let's have a look at the commissions. The full size Hang Seng is $372. And the full size Hang Seng China Enterprises is $206 per round turn. And let's just have a look at the tick values. So as we can see, both of these have a tick value of $50, but that's Hong Kong dollars, which is around $6.38 US. I'd like to say a big thank you to Dan at AMP Futures for setting this up. It was a lot of work for him to get these markets online, and he did so purely because, we asked him, is it possible to get these online? Because we have got people interested in trading at those times. So please contact AMP Futures if you're interested in getting these markets enabled. Jigsaw cannot do this for you. We're not the brokerage. We're the platform provider, but the platform is ready to trade these instruments. If you do go and trade these instruments, I would love to hear how you get on. And thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.